Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we can start our next unit number 2, the animal world. In this unit we can discuss the life cycle of different animals. Now first we can know that what we call the study of animals. The study of animals is called zoology. Now we can move to our first topic. Our first topic is what is a life cycle. In this topic we can discuss the life cycle of an animal. A life cycle is all the changes that an animal goes through from birth to death. In other words, we can say that a life cycle is a series of stages a living thing goes through during its life. All plants and animals go through life cycle. Every living thing has a life cycle. Now in the next part we can talk about how the dead animal help the life cycle of other animals. When an animal dies, the nutrients of its body go into the soil. These are used by plant to help them grow. Other animals feed on these plants. In this way, even a dead animal can help the life cycle of other animal. Now move to the next page. There is an activity and you can do it yourself. There are the 3 boxes and you can draw the picture when you were a baby. Second picture that's showing you look now, and the third picture is what you might look like when you are an adult. Now move to the next page. On the next page, page number 12, 2.2. Grow or change. In this topic we can talk about in what way do animals change as they grow. Every living thing grow bigger. Look at this picture. There is a puppy and dog. One day a puppy will be as big and fully grown dog. Second is a baby fish and a fish. One day a baby fish will be as big as the fully grown fish. And the next picture is horse and foal. Like the puppy and a fully grown dog, some animals look very similar throughout their lives. They can We can say that they can have grown, but their physical features have not changed very much. Now look at the next page. There is a tadpole and frog. Some animals look very different at the different times of life. They have grown and their physical feature have also changed a lot. Now we can discuss some interesting fact about tadpole and frog from water to land. Frog don't just look different when they are young tadpole. They living differently as well. As tadpole they live underwater, and adult frog they also live on land. Now look at this box. In this box you can draw the picture of animal that can change their shape when it was young and when it was grown up. So here the picture of butterfly and caterpillar will drawn. So you can draw it on your book. Move to the next page. The next page is change in life. In this topic we can discuss how the animals change. Animals change in many different ways throughout their lives. Look at this picture. There is a hippos. They change their size. Second is hen. Some animals change their color like hen. Some animals change their shape like butterfly. Most animals become better at surviving as they grow older. Humans become better at surviving as they grow older. Now look at this picture. There is an ostrich. Now we can discuss some interesting fact about ostrich. An ostrich egg is larger than the egg of any other animal. When the egg hatches and the babies come out, it the size of a hen. The baby grow fast and it only 6 months it become as tall as its parent. Now move to the next page. It is an exercise and you can do it on your register. The first is what is a life cycle. Here you can write the definition of life cycle. Second is in what different way do animals changes as they grow. Here you can write how animals changes. They can change their shape, color and size. Third is a self question. You can do it yourself. Write down the sum of the way you have to change since when you were a baby, and then write some of the changes you expected to happen as you become an adult. Now the fourth is cross puzzles. Now look at these blanks. Baby hippos are really small when they are born, but change in dash as they grow. They can change their size, so you can write the size on the first puzzle box. Second is every living thing has a life dash. Second blank is cycle, so you can write the cycle on the second puzzle box. So you can do it all this in this way. So best of luck. Allah Hafiz.